watching Pinoy Scoop, your teen entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Priority would be this Miss Universe sash. You're doing a great job, but
Yeah.
love came to you too. So it
Did
seems
it?
like you have it.
I don't.
So how is it going with Dr. Mike?
Well, as I said before, Miss Universe is still my priority. I've been working to get this title for a very long time, and it's I love my job. I really do. I'm very passionate about it, and it's gonna stay that way for a long time.
Pero masaya ka rin sa kanya.
Well, yes, I mean, kasi bago pa lang ako sa New York, mga 3 months pa lang naman ako doon. So, maganda rin yung may mga nakikilala, di ba?
So, pero kayo na talaga. Kasi siya, nag-announce na talaga siya eh. Pero ikaw lang parang hindi pa masyado. So, gusto mong malaman ng mga tao, special someone lang ba? Or kaibigan? Or what?
He's been very respectful in knowing that my priority is Miss Universe.
Okay.
And I appreciate that very much. He knows that this is my life right now, and I have the organization behind me. I have IMG and WME and the Philippines behind me, and he respects that.
Yes, okay. Sa mga susunod na candidates sa Binibining Pilipinas Universe, I mean, ano yung message mo sa kanila? What would you tell them?
Okay, i-enjoy nyo kasi iba talaga yung experience ng pageant. Kasi ako naisip ko, hindi ko na mauulit to dahil eto na, Miss Universe na ako, hindi na ako magiging candidate kahit kailan.
Yeah.
Ganyan. So, yung experience talaga will change you, will make you more mature. Alam kong palaging yun na lang ang advice ng mga beauty queen. And yun din ang advice sa akin dati, nung candidate pa lang ako na i-enjoy nyo lang. Pero, para sa akin, lalo na doon sa mga first-timer, i-enjoy nyo ng maigi. Lahat ng kaya nyo matutunan, i-absorb nyo na. Tsaka, be prepared for anything. You know, pageants aren't it's not the beginning or the end of your life. You can do so much more. It will open a lot of windows for you,
Yeah.
a lot of opportunities. And that's what I want the girls to know na ang dali kasing dahil napaka-competitive ng pageants dito sa Pilipinas, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang daling parang ma-obsess na parang corona lang talaga. Pero kailangan i-open mo rin yung sarili mo sa mga ibang possibilities na
Right.
pwede mong gawin dahil hindi lang naman sa corona ka pwede magkaroon ng impact. There are
Yes.
other ways that you can make an impact in your life and
Yeah.
other people's lives as well.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below.